I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm going to be cleaning one of the bathrooms in the house that we rent. We are moving house, and this house that we're living in, it is quite big. It's 4 bedrooms and it's got 3 bathrooms and a toilet, so as you can imagine it's quite hard work cleaning it. So I'm here cleaning this bathroom, ready to move. This is one of the kids' musical instruments. I don't know what it's doing in the bathroom, so I'm just cleaning here with Method spray. I really love Method. The place that we're moving to is a little cottage that's fully furnished, and it's in the countryside, so it's quite a bit smaller than this place, so we've been having to downsize. When we moved to this island, we had to get rid of a lot of stuff as well, because we moved over ourselves and the height restriction on the ship was, I think, only like 1.8 meters or something, so we had to fit everything in one van and then the car coming over. So we found this place which was part furnished, so we got rid of our sofas, dining table, cupboards, all sorts of stuff. So we already downsized 18 months ago, and now we're downsizing even further. So I am not an expert when it comes to cleaning, and I don't usually make cleaning videos, but I wanted to show you what I was getting up to. And I'm just cleaning the glass in this shower with the Method shower cleaner. I think that's what it's called. I really do like Method products. And unfortunately there is some damp in this bathroom because the window doesn't open properly and there's not an extractor fan, so you might see some of that on the tiles. So yeah, I have made a few other videos which I will link down below and in the card above if you want to check out the playlist. And usually I have the kids with me. I've got 3 children if you're new here, and they're usually trying to help out, but Ryan was downstairs cleaning up at this point, so I was able to get on. But you might hear Micah in a little bit because he came upstairs for a little bit while Ryan was in the bathroom. So I am cleaning this little table. This was here when we arrived, so it gets quite dirty. I'm just going to put it back in the corner in a second. So I thought I would speak throughout this one because it's not a massive video, and I hope you don't mind it. It seemed like the first video that I did, you all seemed to like the music that I put on. So if you'd like me to do another video where it's just pretty much music, then please let me know. Or if you enjoy me chatting away, then I don't mind doing that as well, because you know what I'm like. I love talking if you know me. So I really loved this window. It brought in a lot of light, and them plants were in my bedroom, but I brought them in here while I was cleaning the bedroom. So as you can see, just behind me there is some of the damp on the wall. I got this little container thing for £1.20 from the pound shop. That's the hand wash that I like to use, and I get that from the pound shop as well. I got that jar from the pound shop, and these stones that I've had for probably 20 years, which I collected in Greece when I was living there and in Cyprus as well. I love collecting pebbles, so they go with me wherever I go. And I used to get my mum some to put in her garden as well. And the little relax sign as well, that was only £1 from the pound shop, which would be like $1.20 or something like that. So the yellow bubble bath thing, that was here when we arrived, so I won't be taking that with us. So what I thought I would do, just put everything away in that box. I've got some bleach here, and I'm just trying to get rid of some of this mould or mildew or whatever it is. Like I said, it can get very damp in this bathroom. It really worked the trick, or did the job, on getting rid of everything. So I just let it sit there for a bit, and then I went over it and wiped it. So I'm just giving everything a quick wipe here. So here you can see it always ends up getting sports clothes all over there. Ryan puts it on the rack, and my scarf's there as well. So I'm just getting rid of all this to go and put in the washing machine. And I'm sure there's probably Lego in there as well, and little bits. The kids always take the bolts and everything in there, because even though we have other bathrooms, we've got 3 floors, so we like to have the kids having a bath in our bathroom so that we can keep an eye on them, and not just that, it just saves me having to go around all of the bathrooms. Do any of you have a cleaner? I would absolutely love one, but they're so expensive. But yeah, here I am just cleaning the bath as well, and then I'm cleaning the toilet. As you can see, I'm not filming loads of me doing one thing, and I hope you don't mind that, but I just thought that I would pretty much just show you little bits of what I'm doing. I'm just trying to speed through everything. So I'm cleaning the toilet, and then I'm cleaning this big mirror. The kids always get toothpaste all over it, or when it steams up, Caleb likes to draw Titanic ships on there, so it gets really, really dirty. I'm using the Method glass cleaner to clean this. I'm running out. I really like that stuff. And then that is the shower spray, but you can use it on tiles and sinks and stuff as well, so I'm giving that a good spray. And then as you can see, there's black there at the back. I'm just giving that a wipe because I was hoping that it would come off, but it wasn't, so I was going to have to bleach that as well, and I'm really impressed with the results. So yeah, I'm just giving it a good clean. And then I was cleaning around here. It gets so dirty. Yeah, I was giving it a good wipe. Like you can see all the black that was coming off there. And then I thought what I would do is just give this a scrub to see if I could get it off without bleaching it, but it managed to get off a little bit, but not a lot. So then I just thought I'll go over it with the bleach, but you can see a lot of it's come off. And then I'm just giving it all a quick wipe, and then just cleaning around the plug hole because there was a bit of black mark around there as well. So I just wanted to make sure that everything was as clean as possible before we moved away. And then we've cleaned the other bathrooms, but I've not filmed that, but I will show you. A few people have asked, will I do an empty tour video? I think empty house tour, is that it? Yeah, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to do that and show you what the rest of the house look like. So as you can see, I'm pretty happy with that. It all came up really nice and sparkling, and it looks so much better than what it was before. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And then here is the bathroom and what it looks like. So I've just put the light on to show you. I think it looks a lot better than what it did. And then I'll go over it again just before we move out, and then you'll see the bedroom, how much of a mess it is, and that is what's going to be on my next to-do list. There's all the products that I've just got in one place for now. So here in my next video, you're going to see Micah and Ryan cleaning the windows and doing a big clean.
It's fun, man, Micah.
So please have the notifications ready for that next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.